Hi, Matt here, hope you're well. I'm just going to talk through how to use Answer the Public. Now, Answer the Public is an online platform that basically allows you to search and research the keywords that you think that your customer is searching to find you. Now, we all know what we do for work, for our business, our service, whether it's a product or service, that we offer our demographic, and we also know that somewhere there are demographic that are searching for us. But the thing we don't know is what exactly are they searching into Google, into Bing, into YouTube, TikTok, etc. Because we need to know that so that our content that we write online, our social media posts, our video titles, our content, everything, the keywords match what they're searching for. And also, just for a reference, when you are creating your content, recording your videos, taking photos, whatever it is, when you save that to your computer, you have to actually use the exact same keyword that you save the image, the video, the content on your computer as. Because believe it or not, Google searches every single thing you've saved on your computer and the titles that you've saved it as, so that it will work for search engine optimization. And also, what you verbalize in your videos, it also scans that as well for keywords. So basically, when you are creating your content for whatever online platform you are promoting or marketing your product or service for, you have to make sure that the keyword that we find through Answer the Public, one, is the same that our customers are searching for, and two, that we save it on every single piece of content on our computer, and when we upload it before publishing it online, and when we record our scripts on videos, that it's mentioned the same keywords. It's very important this is done because, like I say, Google, it has all these bots and stuff, these algorithms that search and search and search for these keywords. Not many people know that, so if you do that, you're more likely to get found. So let me show you how to do this. So I'm just going to use the keyword how to market my restaurant with the demographic of the United Kingdom and in English. So let's see what happens. So whatever keyword you think your customers are searching for your product or service, if you type it into there, where I've put how to market my restaurants, wherever you're located, the language, and click search. And let's see what happens. This is a very, very useful tool. Not many people have heard of it from what I've learnt. I've been using it for quite some time, and I've only got to so out of that keyword that I've guessed people are searching for, that subject of how to market my restaurant. Now that's quite a specific keyword, if you like, because it's how to market my restaurant, not how do I market my restaurant, it's how to market my restaurant. And I've only got two options that this has come up with. One is exactly as I've guessed, how to market my restaurant. The second is how to market my steakhouse restaurant, believe it or not. Now, it's interesting why that's come up as steakhouse, but it's important that we know this because we can use this for advantage. But let me show you what to do now. So we now know that, and also, by the way, these little circles here, the more red they are, the more it's searched. Now, if I were to see highly searched, so it's a fairly highly searched keyword, that, which is quite cool. So what we now do, if you were to search something a bit less specific, like let me have a think. Okay, I found something a bit more variant, just to give you an example of how it can change. Now I've just typed in how to groom a dog, and you can see here that I've got 9 different keywords that people use to search how to groom a dog. Now, using the color key here, so the more red it is, the highly searched it is. So you want to choose the highest search one, basically, which is in this instance. And also you see in 90, 110. So how to groom a dog at home. So that's the keyword, basically. So it's not how to groom a dog, it's how to groom a dog at home. That's what people are searching for, with a specific pain point to solve as that. So that's just an example of how to use Answer the Public. But obviously I'm not grooming dogs, so let's go back to what I was talking about initially, where I had 2 variants of the keyword, but that variant didn't give you an idea of how it works. But the how to groom a dog thing shows you the different variants and which one to choose. So type in the keyword that you think your customers are searching for, use the tally system to find the most searched one, and then literally copy and paste that, and that becomes your keyword to write all of your titles to your videos, to your imagery, everything. Now, like I said before, you might have a LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel, website, all these online platforms. You've got all sorts of stuff embedded into it, uploaded into it. You've got the banner, you've got your logos, you've got images, pictures, videos, content. It's all on your online platforms. The thing you have to do is rename and resave every single piece of imagery, banner, video, everything with the same keyword as this stipulates here on all of your online platforms, because Google searches all of your things that saved on your computer. Every single thing that's saved on your computer is searched by the algorithms of Google for search engine optimization. And also any videos or verbal activity that you do on your online platforms and your email campaigns, your email workflows, any uploaded images on that too has to be saved with these keywords. But when you're speaking, whether it's artificial intelligence, whether it's you, whether it's a colleague, whether it's someone else, it doesn't matter. You have to try and say this keyword. So for instance, if I was making a video about dog grooming, now that I know that the actual keyword is how to groom a dog at home, the video that I make when I'm speaking, I would say something like, "Hi guys, this video is for people that are trying to learn how to groom a dog at home." You see, so I've said the keyword in the video. It's relevant to what I'm talking about in the content and the videos. But Google, again, it actually reads and listens to what you're saying. So you have to do all these things to make your online presence, your website, your LinkedIn profile, your everything be found by the customer through the keywords they're searching. And that's one great thing to do, to action after you've found out what keywords to use because of Answer the Public. The second thing you can do, now that we know the actual keyword, if we hover over this, click on it, it will then take us to basically the most viewed online products or services that are using that keyword, and you want yours to be in this list as well. And how do you do that? By basically search engine optimization. So you have to change all of your imagery, your titles that you've saved everything on, all of your online platforms. Like I've said, all of the things you've uploaded and embedded into your online platforms has to be saved with these keywords. You have to verbalize everything. And it takes time for the algorithms of Google to start to notice these changes as well. It won't take long to do it. It's just a question of resaving stuff with the correct keyword based on what you're trying to sell your customers. But it's worth doing it. Now, I'm just going to also show you how to search for online videos with YouTube that are using this keyword, that are the best viewed videos on YouTube, and then we can copy the things that they're doing so that you can replicate them with a bit of a tweak so that it will also attract the same or similar demographic. Okay, so in YouTube, I have basically searched for anything that is using that keyword we found, how to groom a dog at home. And let's look at what videos come up. The first one that comes up has got 2.9 million views. So why is that basically? Well, let's just have a look at the video for a start. I mean, the thumbnail, it's got a picture of a dog. It's got a very cute color branding, I suppose. It's got subtitles. It is very clearly showing you what it's doing, etc. But basically, what you can now do is click on the video. Let's load it up. So this is a video similar, relevant to what you are doing yourself, and you want to basically take this as a kind of a guide as to how to design your online content, because it's obviously worked for this person here, and they've also got 579,000 subscribers just about how to cut a dog's hair. So what I would do is copy their title to their video. I would then open up, I mean, I've got artificial intelligence embedded in my computer, but you can just Google it or whatever. But so I would then just ask, so there's the title, and I'd say, just ask it to, can you write a better YouTube video title using this as a template? And let's see what it says. And there we have it. So that's you know, an idea for a variant, but that's similar to the one that they've used. So I've used artificial intelligence to do that. You can kind of elaborate on that as well. But this should give you an idea of how to kind of design your content, your titles, using Answer the Public. It's very powerful. Not many people know how to do it, but I strongly advise that you spend a bit of time doing this. And if you do, you have to kind of do everything for this to work a bit, and you have to give it time for the algorithms to kind of search your website, because there's 1.4 million websites on this planet, as you know, estimated. So it takes a bit of time for this to work. But like I say, make sure you use the keyword that you've found and change all of the titles that you've saved everything on your computer to. If you have saved old images like with the same keyword, and it's, you know how it like in brackets like does number 1, number 2, you can't do that either, because no one's going to search open bracket number 1 close bracket. You have to kind of delete the old image, resave it with the actual very accurate keyword basically. So that's what you need to do now with any of your online platforms, any of your content and your future content. And if you need any more help, please contact me. I hope that's helpful, and when you've done that, we'll see you in the next section.